bad credit, low credit, or no credit, you can get up to $50,000. Let me say that again, up to $50,000. All right. So whatever the situation may be, whether you're low income or no income, you're in a situation right now, a little bind, and you need to borrow some money. Stay tuned.
Hello, honey bun.
Hello, my honey buns. It's your gal Lou, and I just want to go ahead and get right into it with y'all. I gotta share these companies, so let's get it. The companies that I'm sharing with y'all in this particular video today are listed as some of the top companies for people that have low credit or very little to no credit. All right. So whatever your situation is, if you need a loan, but you were looking for something specifically for people and, not the best of credit situations, the companies that I'm listing will be able to help you out. Also, of course, if you have great credit, go ahead and apply as well. I know that when I talk about these companies, I like to put emphasis on the fact that they work with people with bad credit, but hopefully it's a no-brainer that even if you have good, decent or good credit and you need a loan, you can get that as well. So I just wanted to clear that up. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the first company, Upstart. I've mentioned Upstart before on my channel, but if you haven't gotten the information about it, let me go ahead and get you up to speed. Upstart is one of the companies that will work with when I say an extremely low credit score, they're working with extremely low credit scores. Their interest rates aren't too bad. It definitely ranges, so it can go anywhere from a 7.8 all the way up to the 35, which is a lot, but granted, this is, they work with people that have very bad credit. So that's why sometimes you're going to see those extremely high interest rates. They're giving out personal loans. These personal loans can be used, of course, for anything personal, whether you're trying to do debt consolidation, maybe a wedding or some other health expense, an investment, whatever the case may be. You can use it for whatever you need it for. Maybe you're behind on bills, need to purchase a vehicle, a home, whatever the case may be. It's your business. Upstart loan amounts go anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000, which is of course great for my people that need a larger loan. Sometimes people don't really want to take out a loan for a smaller amount. So for my people that are looking for, the 510s and the 20s, and more, this would be a great company to check out. You can go to upstart.com and check out their website. They have so much helpful information on the website. Once you're on their site, the first thing you're going to see, of course, is some of the things that I told you about how they have low fixed rates, no hidden fees, and also I forgot to mention next day funds. They state that they have already helped over 2.9 million customers, which is a great sign. Definitely a reputable company to work with. And if you go on the website, they'll be able to answer every question that you have that maybe I did not cover in this video. I don't want to focus too much on one company, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the next one. You know what? I lied, y'all. So something else that I want to do on this video that I normally do not do for the loans that I speak about is I want to list some pros and some cons. Okay, so first let's go ahead and just get into the cons. All right, this company does have high late fees, so that's something to keep in mind. If you know you're not going to be able to make those payments on time, then I don't know, maybe hold off on going with this company. They also have origination fees anywhere from 0 to 10%. They charge a $10 fee if you request paper copies for the loan documents. Most people I know these days are into electronic, but if you are someone that's old school and you like to keep things on file, paper form, they will charge you for that. Me personally, I would just try to, print out them electric ones on my own, even if I have to screenshot it. I want to go back to the pros of this company. Of course, the main one that I've mentioned already is the fact that They work with people with extremely low credit scores, and they also will give you up to $50,000 in your loan amount. Another pro is that there's no early payoff fees. So there are companies out there that will make you pay an extra fee on top. They will not do that. And last but not least, another pro for them is that they have a 99% rate of sending funds the next day, which is extremely high. So if you're approved, the chances of you receiving your money the next day are pretty large. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the next company. Happy Money. I just love the name of this company because money, happy, it just goes hand in hand, right? Some would like to differ, but so Happy Money will allow you to borrow anywhere from $5,000 to $40,000. Yes, you heard that right. Anywhere from $5,000 to $40,000. They work with fair credit. They also, have a chance of approving you if you have very low credit. Their loan terms are anywhere from 24 to 60 months. This company does have late fees, so we want to keep that in mind. Pay your stuff on time if possible. Their percentage rates are anywhere from 11% to 17%. Not the best, but definitely good for someone that needs the money and needs it now. Another great thing about this company is the fact that it is a peer-to-peer lending platform. And with peer-to-peer lending platforms, they make it very easy for you to have, better options available and to check multiple offers all at once. If approved for a loan, you will automatically have their membership and access to customer support. They have a very fast and easy application process, US-based customer service, and if I haven't said it already, no late fees. One of the main things I would say that some people might not like with this company is the fact that their loan amount starts a bit higher. So for someone that's looking for a small loan, this may not be the best option for you because they do start out at $5,000. So if you're looking for something that maybe starts around the $500 or just a couple hundred, then you may want to go with a different company. Don't get yourself into any unnecessary debt. All right, the next company is One Main Financial. Their loan amounts are anywhere from $1,500 to $20,000. This is a company that I know for a fact works with people with poor credit. Your chances of getting approved are definitely a bit higher than some other companies that we talk about. They definitely are willing to work with you. I know people that have used this company to get automotive loans and just a range of different loans for things they needed. Their terms are anywhere from 24 to 60 months, and they have no early payoff penalty. They do have ACH funding that can take anywhere from 1 to 2 business days. Sometimes they're able to get you your money the same day with the proper paperwork provided. They also allow you the option to apply with a co-applicant, or some people like to call it a co-signer. So if for whatever reason you're not getting approved by yourself, if you have someone else that you can put down on the line that may have a better credit history than you, or even just a higher income, your chances of getting approved will definitely increase. Can choose the bill. Look, y'all, I'm all over the place. You can choose the date that your bill will be due. So I know this is great for some people. If your pay date falls on a particular day, maybe not the 1st and the 15th, they will work with you and allow you to choose which day of the month works best for you to pay them their money back. Okay. They also have the option for you to apply for a secured loan. For those of you that aren't familiar with the secured loan, that's when you put up some form of collateral so that you can receive your loan. Now, their interest rates are anywhere from 18 to 35%. Once again, pretty similar to a lot of the companies that we talk about. It's just to be expected when you're searching for companies that are willing to work with you with a less than stellar credit history. Also, I want to mention that they do have late fees. So just try to stay on top of your payments if you are approved. And last but not least is Avant Personal Loans. Now, I believe that Avant is a company I don't really see or hear people talk about very often, so I definitely want to get y'all up to speed on this company. They have a loan amounts anywhere from $2,000 to $35,000. Their loan terms range from 12 to 60 months, and their APR goes anywhere from 9 to 35%, which is, of course, pretty standard with these companies. And they work with poor credit. Something I do like with them is you can pre-qualify with a soft credit check, so that gives you an opportunity to really see if you have a chance of getting a loan before you get that hard inquiry. They also give grace periods for people that may be late on their payments. I think that's amazing, because there's definitely companies that are not going to work with you. Once you're late, that fee will be applied, but with them, they give you 10 days. Some of the cons I would say is that they don't allow you to have a co-signer. They do have origination fees, and of course, no auto pay APR discount. As always, I hope that y'all found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to comment down below and let people know that you were approved for a loan. It really does help. I appreciate everyone that reaches out to me to tell me about their experience getting approved. You just want people to know that these companies are legit and that people are getting approved. I normally get personal messages every now and then. I get the comments underneath some of my videos, and we just want to keep that going so that other people can see it's possible for them to be approved as well. If you need helpful resources in any other categories or departments, please drop down in the comments below and let me know what type of information you need, and I'll try to post a video on it. Until next time, bye y'all.